for alphabet.
What letter is this?
A.
Here's the A. What about this one? What letter is this?
B.
Good job. Here.
B.
What letter is this?
C.
Good job. What's this letter?
D.
D. Good job. What letter is this one?
E.
What's the sound of letter E?
E. E.
E. What's the color of letter E?
Purple.
Good job. What letter is that?
A color.
F.
The color F.
Orange.
Orange.
What letter is this?
G.
Good job.
What color?
What color is that?
Green.
Good job.
Green.
This one, what letter is this?
H.
H. What letter is this? Letter?
I.
Good job. What about this one? What letter is this one?
J.
J. Good job. What letter is this?
K.
What letter is that? Letter?
J.
Job. What letter is this one?
L.
L. Good job.
I.
What about this one? Letter?
M.
Good girl. What about, excuse me, what about this one? What letter?
N.
What's the sound of letter N? N.
N.
N. What letter is this? Letter?
O.
Good job. What letter is this one? What letter? What letter is that one?
D.
P.
P.
That's letter P right here. P.
P.
What letter is this one?
Q.
No, here. Q.
Q.
What letter is this?
R. O.
Oh.
O. O.
Here. R.
R.
What letter is this?
S.
Good job. What's this letter?
T.
Good job.
T.
What letter is this one?
U.
Good job.
Oops.
What's the sound letter U?
U. U.
Oh. U.
U.
What's the sound? What's this letter? Letter?
V.
Good job. What's the sound letter V?
V. V.
V. What letter is this one?
W.
What the color?
Red.
Good job. What letter is this one? What letter? What letter is that?
Y.
Good job. What about this one? Oh, here we go. What letter?
Z.
Yay. Can you sing it? Let's sing.
A, B, C.
E. E. F. G. Yay.
I did it.
Good job.
Let's sing another song.
Mm-hmm.